Good morning, good morning, good morning. So what's up? So I'm out here, and for today what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm actually going to take a look at a couple properties. I'm going to be prospecting for properties and searching for properties that might potentially end up as buys in the near future. And the reason I'm doing it is because I want you to get a look of what a good property is and what a bad property is, well, at least my business model. And the reason I want you to know that is because if you actually see one property that fits the criteria for my business model and you tell me about it and I actually end up buying it, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pay you $500. So it's not the best of money, it's not a little bit of money, but it definitely is the job taken care of. You just referring me one property, and if you do like 2 or 3 a month, it can be a really good business for you as well for me. So definitely it's a win-win situation for both of us, and that's why I'm shooting this video. And I bought this plastic bag. Well, today's laundry day for me, and there's a lovely lady up the street that provides a service where she washes and folds the clothes. So that's where I'm going to go. We're going to drop this off, and then from there we're going to hop on a trolley and head down to my little territory where I'll do business at mainly. So stay tuned. Get that taken care of.